In last video lecture, we have seen up to question number 6. Today, we will solve question number 8 and question number 9. So, see question number 8. What is given? In question number 8, a random survey of the number of child of various age group playing in park was founded. Means in a park children are playing and surveys of that children has been done on the basis of their age. So I am writing age as class interval. Age as CI you take age. And what is the group has been given? 1 2. What? 1 2 2 3. 3 5 5 7 7 10 10 to 15 15 to 17. When you will see the class group, you see the class group here. In this case, our class size is 1. Here 1, here 2. Here 2, 3, 5, again 2. So in this question, our class size, you say class size, class width, class heights are not set. For this type of question, how we will see, how we will do? First, let us see. So this was the class interval given. Now we what frequency see it. Frequency is given. Frequency. Frequency 5, 3, 6, 12, 9, 10, 4. Now what we will do? See, draw the histogram to represent the above data. What we have to do? We have to draw histogram to represent data. So first of all, we will find the class width. What is the class width? Class width of the 2 minus 1. How we find class width? Class width. How we find class width? Size or height. How we find? Upper limit minus lower limit. UL means upper limit and LL means lower limit of the given class interval. So class width will be here given. Here upper limit is 2 and lower limit is 1. So 2 minus 1, that will give 1. What will be the class width of the first interval? 1. Similarly 3 minus 2, that will give 1. 3 minus 5, it will give 2. 5 minus 7, it will give 2. 7 minus 10, it will give 3. 15 minus 10, it will give 5. 17 minus 15, it will give 2. Now, what next step we will do? We will find the length of rectangle. What will be the length of rectangle? So, length of rectangle. Length of rectangle. What formula has been given for the length of rectangle? Length of rectangle, how we will find? Given frequency upon class size of that interval multiply minimum class size of the given data. Minimum class length of rectangle will be given as frequency upon class size into minimum class size of the given data. So What will be the class size, length of rectangle here? Frequency is 5. And what is the class size? Class width is 1. And multiply minimum class size of the group. What is the minimum class size of the group? Is 1. So multiply will be 1. So 5 upon 1, 5, it will be 5. 4. Now here frequency is 3. Upon 1 multiply 1, that will be 3. Now for 3 to 5 frequency is 6 and class width is 2. So 6 upon 2 multiply 1. So 6 upon 2, that will be 3. 3 multiply 1, that will be 3. For 5 to 7 frequency is 12, class width is 2. So 12 upon 2 multiply 1, that is 6 multiply 1, that will be 6. Now 7 to 10 frequency is 9, width is 3. 9 upon 3 multiply 1, that will be 3. Now 10 to 15, 10 upon 5, 10 upon 5 multiply 1, that is 2. Now 10 to 15 to 17 frequency is 4 and class width is 2. So 4 upon 2 multiply 1, that will give 2. So this is the length of rectangle. Now we will draw histogram for this given data. So on x-axis we will take age in years, and on y-axis we will take number of children. That will be the frequency. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 is in year. You have to mention it. This will be X group. Now number of children 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Number of children. And what is our scale? 1 unit. On y-axis 1 unit equals to 1 child. On x-axis 1 unit equals to 1 year. Like this. Now 1 to 2. What was the frequency for 1 to 2? It is 5. So 1 to 2 it will be 5. Now 2 to 3 the frequency is 3. 2 to 3 frequency will be 3. Next 3 to 5 frequency is 6. So 3 to 5 frequency will be 6. But our width is what? 3. So 3 multiplied by 2, that will give 6. Next 5 to 7 it is 12. What? 5 to 7 it is 12. So 5 to 7 class size is 12. So 12 upon 2 it will be 6. So what will be the here? It will come 6. Now next group is 7 to 10. 9 frequency is 9, but What is the width? 3. 9 upon 3. So it will be 3. So here it will come 7 to 10. This now 10 to 15. 10 to 15. Our frequency is 2. What will be the length of rectangle? Length of rectangle is 2. So 2, 10 to 15. Now 15 to 17. Our again frequency is 2. So length of rectangle is 2. See what we have to do in earlier histogram. What we see the frequency and we have the continuous class interval. Means what we have the class size or class width was same, but in this question we don't have class width same. So we have find the length of rectangle, and length of rectangle is given in this manner. So according to that we have drawn histogram for this question. So question number 8 has been completed. Now we will see question number 9. Now see question number 9. 100 surnames were taken randomly picked from a local telephone directory, and a frequency distribution of the number of letters in English alphabet in their surname was found. We have found number of letters 1 to 4 surname. So again we have to make table and we have to find the length of rectangle. So first CI. In CI, what will be the number of letters? So first 1 to 4. What? 1 to 4. Next 4 to 6. 4 to 6. 6 to 8. 8 to 12. 12 to 20. Again see here, class size are different. What is? Class size are different. Here 3, 2, 4, 8. Now see the number of surnames. Number of surnames, that is frequency. This will be frequency. 6, 30, 44, 16, 4. What question has been asked? Draw the histogram to depict the information. Write the class interval in the maximum number of surname line. Now first we will find length of rectangle here. So for that, first of all we will find the class width or class size. That is 1 minus 4 minus 1, that will give 3. 6 minus 4, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. 8 minus 12 minus 8, 4. 20 minus 12. 20 minus 12, it will be 8. Now length of rectangle. What? Length of rectangle. How we find the length of rectangle? Frequency upon width multiply minimum class width. What is the minimum class width? That minimum class width of this given data is 2. So 6 upon 3 multiply 2. 6 upon 3, 2 multiply 2, that will give 4. So what is the length of rectangle for first class interval? It is 4. Now again see 30 upon 2. 30 upon 2 multiply 2, that will give how much? 30. Now next group is what is frequency? 44. And what is the class size? 2. And minimum class size 2. 44 upon 2, 22, 22 multiply to 44. And C, 8 to 12, frequency is 16, class size is 4 multiply by 2, 4 multiply by 2, that will give 8. Now next is 4, 8. 4 upon 8 multiplied to, it will give 1. What will be the length of rectangle? Length of rectangle will be 1. So you have seen the class length of rectangle for the, what is the length of rectangle? 4, 30, 44, 8, 1. Now we will draw histogram. In making table, we have seen the maximum length of rectangle is 44. So we are taking multiple of 4 here. 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. And S 0, 1, letters 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 'So here what we will write? Number of letters. This is x-axis. Here number of surnames. Now y-axis. Here you can write number of surnames. Now you have to mention a scale also. So on y-axis, what you are taking? 1 unit equals to 4. Now 4, 1 to 4. What is the length of rectangle? It is 4. 1 to 4. So length of rectangle is 4. So 1 to 4 rectangle length will be 4. Now 4 to 6 length is 30. So 4 to 6 it will be 30. It will come in between 28 and 32. In between 32 and 28. 4 to 6. Now next group is 6 to 8. It is 44. 6 to 8 it is 44. So draw 44, 6 to 8. Again 8 to 12 it is 8. 8 to 12 it is 8. And 12 to 20 it is 1. So 12 to 20 it is 1. So in this manner histogram has been drawn for question number 8. Now See, this was the question number 1. Now write the class interval in which maximum number of surname lie. Now see the data. What has been given? 1 to 4, frequency is 6, 4 to 6, 30, 6 to 8, it is 44, 8 to 12, 16, 12 to 20, it is 4. So by seeing the data, we can say that which class interval have maximum number of children. This interval. So interval will be 6 to 8. So answer of second question will be class interval 6 to 8 as the maximum number of surname. Thank you. Solve the questions.